There's been a report that there was a row in the tunnel after the game at Chelsea. Can you explain what happened?
Yeah,
there?
the tunnel in Chelsea is so tight. So tight.
So nothing serious.
Come on. Nothing.
I didn't see nothing because I was in the changing room to stay with my players and then No, I didn't see, but I think it's not important what happened in the tunnel.
We congratulate Chelsea for the victory. We are so polite in our defeats, and especially we are so polite when we win, especially that.